Hello everyone, welcome to another class. Here we are going to discuss question number 4 from exercise 12.1. There are two questions here. Let us start with question number 1. 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 4. Here you can see that 8 with negative exponent, 2 also with negative exponent. So let us take the reciprocal of both to change this negative exponent to positive. So let us take 2 raised to minus 4 to the numerator and 8 raised to 1 to the denominator is equal to 2 raised to minus 4 changing as 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 3, 8 raised to minus 1 take into denominator, that comes 8 or 8 raised to 1, 8 enough, okay, is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 8 we can written as 2 cube. 8 comes 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 instead of 8 we can written as 2 raised to 3. Here you can see that 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 3. So we have exponential law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 3, that comes 2 raised to 4 minus 3 into 5 raised to 3 already here. 5 raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to 4 minus 3, that is 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1 means 2. 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, that comes 125. So 2 into 125 is equal to 250. So 250 is the final answer of 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 all divided by 2 raised to minus 4. Let's see the second one. 5 raised to minus 1. So we have exponential law, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. So taking reciprocal, 5 raised to minus 1 we can written as 1 by 5. 1 by 5 raised to 1, actually it comes 1 by 5 raised to 1 means 1 by 5. 2 raised to minus 1 we can written as 1 by 2 into 6 raised to minus 1, that comes 1 by 6. So this is in bracket. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 comes 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into 1 by 6. Therefore, 1 by 60. 1 by 60, otherwise 60 raised to minus 1. Okay. So I hope these two questions are okay to you. The answer of this question comes 250 and the answer of the second question is 1 by 60. Next question, number 5. Find the value of m for which 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Let us apply here law of exponent. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So which implies 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3. So by using exponential law, 5 raised to m minus the second exponent minus 3 is equal to RHS comes 5 raised to 5, which implies 5 raised to m minus minus 3 comes m plus 3. 5 raised to m plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. See here, 5 raised to m plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5, which means m plus 3 is equal to 5, as the bases already same. So from here, which implies m plus 3 is equal to 5. From here, m is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of m is equal to 2. Hence, it is completed. Next question, number 6. 1 by 3 raised to minus 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to minus 1 whole power minus 1. 1 by 3 raised to minus 1. Power is negative. Let us change this power is positive by taking the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by 3, that is 3 by 1. Power will change into positive. 3 by 1 power 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to minus 1. That comes 4 by 1 raised to 1 whole power minus 1. 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is 3. 3 raised to 1 comes 3. Minus 4 by 1, 4. 4 raised to 1, 4. 3 minus 4 whole raised to minus 1. This minus 1. 3 by 1, 3. 4 by 1, 4 whole power minus 1. Which is equal to 3 minus 1 comes, 3 minus 4 comes minus 1. Minus 1 whole power minus 1 is minus 1, otherwise 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1 comes negative 1. So the answer of this question is negative 1. Minus 1 whole power negative 1 we can written as, taking the reciprocal of minus 1, that comes 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. Next, question number 2. 5 by 8 whole raised to minus 7 into 8 by 5 whole raised to minus 4. Let us take the reciprocal. 5 by 8, its reciprocal comes 8 by 5. Power changing into positive 7. For the next exponent, 8 by 5 whole raised to minus 4. Negative exponent, let us take the reciprocal of this number. 8 by 5 reciprocal 5 by 8 and the power changing into positive. We know that the exponential law, a by b whole raised to m, we can written as a raised to m by b raised to m. So by using this law, this we can written as 8 power 7 by 5 power 7 into 5 raised to 4 or 5 power 4 divided by 8 raised to 4. 8 raised to 7 divided by 5 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 8 raised to 4. That you can written as 8 raised to 7 by 8 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 by 5 raised to 7. Just rearranging the numerator and the denominator, which is equal to 8 raised to 7 divided by 8 raised to 4. a raised to m divided by a raised to n means a raised to m minus n. So 8 raised to 7 minus 4 into 5 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 7 comes 5 raised to 4 minus 7, which is equal to 8 raised to 7 minus 4 comes 8 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 4 minus 7. 5 raised to 4 minus 7 comes 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So let us continue. 8 raised to 3 into 5 raised to minus 3. 8 raised to 3 into 5 raised to minus 3. 5 power minus 3 we can written as 1 by 5 raised to 3. 1 by 5 raised to 3. So 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8 comes 512. 5 cube comes 125. So the answer of this question is 512 by 125. See here the second last step, 8 cube into 5 raised to minus 3. 5 raised to minus 3, let us take the reciprocal. It becomes 1 by 5 raised to 3. 1 by 5 raised to 3. So 8 cube into 1 by 5 power 3. 8 cube is 512. 5 cube is 125. So the answer is 512 divided by 125. Number 7. Very important question of this exercise. 25 into t raised to minus 4 all divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 8. So here, first let us convert all the negative exponents into positive. For this, we take the reciprocal. So we will interchange t raised to minus 4 to denominator, 5 raised to minus 3 to numerator, and also t raised to minus 8 to numerator. So 25 already here. So instead of 25, we can write 5 square. 5 square. 5 raised to minus 3, let us take to numerator. So it becomes 5 raised to 3. T raised to minus 8, let us take to the numerator. It becomes t raised to 8. Whole divided by t raised to minus 4 coming to denominator. It becomes t raised to 4. Before that, we can write this 10. 10 into t raised to 4. So in the first step, we have converted all the exponents, all the powers into positive. Then let us apply here exponential law. A raised to m into a raised to n. A raised to m into a raised to n comes a raised to m plus n. A raised to m plus n. So here 5 square into 5 raised to 3 we can written as 5 raised to 2 plus 3 by using law of exponent. Here t raised to 8 divided by t raised to 4. So we have one more exponential law. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So here t raised to 8 divided by t raised to 4, it becomes t raised to 8 minus 4 whole divided by this 10 we can written as 2 into 5. So once again listen, 5 square into 5 raised to 3, that we can written as 5 raised to 2 plus 3 into t raised to 8 divided by t raised to 4, it becomes t raised to 8 minus 4. Then in the denominator 10 is remaining. 10 we can written as 2 into 5 is equal to 5 raised to 2 plus 3. So 5 raised to 5 into t raised to 8 minus 4 we can written as t raised to 8 minus 4 comes 4. Whole divided by 2. 5 into 2. See, 5 is 5 raised to 1. Instead of 5, we can written as 5 raised to 1. So 5 raised to 5 divided by 5 raised to 1, that comes 5 raised to 5 minus 1 into t raised to 4 whole divided by 2 is equal to 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 4. 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 4 whole divided by 2. 5 raised to 4, it becomes 625. 625 into t raised to 4 whole divided by 2 is answer. 5 raised to 4, it becomes 625 into t raised to 4 whole divided by 2 is answer of 25 into t raised to minus 4 whole divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 8. Next question number 2. 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125. 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. Let us take the reciprocal of the numbers with a negative exponent. So 5 raised to minus 7 comes to denominator as 5 raised to 7. 5 raised to 7 into 6 raised to 5, 6 power 5, 125 already there, 125 we can written as 5 raised to 3 whole divided by 3 raised to minus 5 taking to denominator, it comes as 3 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 5. See here, we can apply the law of exponent. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 5 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 3 comes 5 raised to 7 plus 3 into 6 raised to 5 whole divided by 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5. This base 10 we can split as 2 into 5. 2 into 5 power 5. See here the denominator, when it comes to the denominator 3 raised to 5, it's same, no change. This base 10 we splitted as 2 into 5. We wrote as the product of 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10 whole raised to 5 is equal to 5 raised to 10. 5 raised to 7 plus 3 comes 10. Then this 6 raised to 5 we can written as 2 into 3. Instead of 6 it becomes 2 into 3 whole raised to 5. 6 we split it as 2 into 3 whole raised to 5 whole divided by 3 raised to 5 into 2 into 5 raised to 5 we can written as 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. So once again 2 into 5 whole raised to 5 we can written as 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 is equal to 5 raised to 10. This also we can split 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5 whole divided by 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. See 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 5 we can cancel. 3 raised to 5 and 3 raised to 5 we can cancel. Otherwise, you can use the law of exponent. 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 5 becomes 2 raised to 5 minus 5. That will come 2 raised to 0, 1. Anyway, 1 we will get. Okay. Same divided by same, answer is 1. Then what is remaining here? 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 5. Into 1, same only. So 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 5, it becomes 5 raised to 10 minus 5. 5 raised to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 raised to 10 minus 5 is 5 raised to 5. 5 raised to 5. Evaluate. We have to find the value of 5 raised to 5. It becomes 3125. 5 raised to 5 is 5 power 5 is equal to 5 multiplied 5 times. So the answer comes 3125. Listen once again. See here, this 6, base 6 we can write as 2 into 3 power 5. Then here 5 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5 we cancelled. 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 5 cancel. What is remaining here? 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 5. So here we can apply the law of exponent. 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 5, it becomes 5 raised to 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5, so 5 power 5 is equal to 3125. So the answer of this question is 3125.